walk inside the school following the traffic signals.
Seas that rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Local police teach us to be good pedestrians and cyclists.
Feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never.
We learn to keep our bikes in good condition.
That was when I ruled the world. It was the wicked and wild wind blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered.
We travel on our bikes to explore new places in Naron.
Couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever want to be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name, never an honest word, but that was when I.
In May, all students in Naron from 3rd year primary to 6th year primary will participate in a bike route.